All the glory and all the honor and all the praise belongs to only thee. In the morning, with brand new mercies, it is your face that I see. Oh, precious Lamb, slave in Calvary, I sing your praises throughout eternity and cast my crown at your feet so that you'll get all the glories. Take none for me, but all to thee.